And everybody say, I am awesome.
Make good choices. All the time.
Follow the rules. Be honest. To encourage. To inspire. Take a deep breath.
Like when I close my eyes and don't even care if anyone sees me dancing. Like I can fly and I don't even think of touching the ground. Like a heartbeat skip, like an open page, like a one-way trip on an aeroplane. It's the way that I feel when I'm with you. Brand new.
Higher Impact came today, worth every bit. My kids were engaged. I had kindergarten through 6th grade, and not once did we have to tell a child to pay attention. They were locked into this. The message they sent is the message everyone needs to hear. You want Higher Impact at your school, it's worth every bit.
Higher Impact just left our building and they were amazing. It was a great time, lots of engagement, lots of high energy. My kids had a wonderful time. Please make sure you book them to come see your school.
We had the Funkey Munkey here today for our bowling assembly, and it was a huge success. Our kiddos loved it, had a lot of fun, it was high energy, and our kids learned a lot. I highly recommend them coming out to your campuses.
Thank you, Higher Impact Entertainment. This was a phenomenal show, high energy, focused on what kids really love. Music was awesome. I love the involvement of the teachers and getting everybody moving, and everything just went off like a hitch. Couldn't have asked for better.
Today we were fortunate enough to have Higher Impact come visit our school, and it was phenomenal. It was better than we could have ever asked for. They incorporated our Power of the Pride anti-bullying theme. They encouraged students to achieve and be the very best students and citizens they could be. I highly recommend Higher Impact to any school district looking for a great assembly.
We had a great day of fun today. We had the Higher Impact program at Louisville Elementary School, and it was a great day. The message was awesome, the kids loved it, and we just had a lot of fun. I would suggest this and recommend this to anyone, and this is my 31st year of teaching, so I can verify that this is one of the best assemblies we've ever had.
Hey guys, if you guys are looking for an upbeat, fun, and very exciting assembly, I highly encourage you to contact Higher Impact. Jeremy was super easy to work with. I was able to connect with him through email and phone. Contacting him, getting him scheduled was super simple, and not only that, we got to partner with the school, which helped lower the cost, which is huge for us. The students loved the assembly. They brought in music that was appropriate, the kids had fun, we danced, even teachers were dancing. It was a blast. It teaches the message that not only the parents and the teachers are informing the kids of, but as a counselor, I go into every class to teach these kids these lessons about positive role models and how to be an impact in the school, and everything that we're teaching, they bring into this assembly.
Hey guys, we just watched the most awesome program, and I hope that you call Higher Impact and get them on the books, because you're going to love it, your students are going to love it. There's a lot of great content to it as well, so call them up today, put it on your calendar.
Go to school! Every day! Be a good teammate!
Use your manners.
Be polite! Be makes you happy! Be makes you healthy! Have empathy! Be kind! I will! I'll try my best!
Brand new. Like when I close my eyes and don't even care if anyone sees me dancing. Like I